Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to protect certain cells. As example, I will create table, you can sort and then go to insert, click table and OK. Now, I will protect like at these cells. You can select all cells and then press Ctrl button, hold and select the protect cells like this. Now you can right click in selection and then go to format cells, click on protection tab and you can uncheck the unlock. Click OK. After it, you can go to review tab and then click protect sheet. If you want to set passport, you can click at this point, and if done, you can click OK. Now if you try writing in these cells, it will be automatically protected, but you can create at these cells. Okay, we'll click again at this point, you can type, it will be automatically protect the cell. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to protect certain cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.